Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
So, you're looking to make a profit with Quotex and Pocket Option? These are popular online trading platforms, often used for binary options and forks. It's crucial to understand they offer opportunities, but they also come with risks. Success isn't about luck, it's about a clear strategy and consistent effort. We are here to guide you toward a more informed approach for your trading journey. First, let's talk about charting your course with market analysis. This means really understanding what moves prices. You'll want to learn technical analysis using tools like moving averages or the relative strength index. These indicators help predict future price movements based on past data. It's about making informed decisions, not just guessing, and building a foundation for consistent trading. Next, managing your capital is absolutely vital, perhaps the most important step. Always start with a small, manageable amount you are comfortable losing. Define your risk per trade, perhaps 1 or 2% of your total capital, never more. This prevents significant losses from a few bad trades, protecting your overall trading account. Remember, preserving your capital allows you to stay in the game longer. Now, let's discuss the powerful role of mindset in trading. Emotional control is paramount. Avoid trading out of frustration or greed. Stick to your predefined trading plan, even when things are challenging. Learning from your losses, rather than being discouraged, helps you refine your strategy. A disciplined approach, combined with emotional resilience, is key to long-term success here. Finally, continuous learning and consistent practice are your best friends. Always start with a demo account. It allows you to practice strategies without risking real money. The market is constantly evolving, so staying updated with economic news and new analysis techniques is crucial. Keep refining your skills, adapting to changes, and growing as a trader over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.